Welcome to Arnott Suspension Products. Today we will be guiding you through the installation process of an Arnott air suspension compressor for the BMW X5 E70 and X6 E71. Before starting, ensure you have the necessary safety measures in place which can be found in the vehicle owner's manual. Lift and immobilize the vehicle properly and isolate any stored energy to prevent injuries or damage. Start by setting the steering to straight ahead and raising the vehicle. Remove the fasteners and paneling under the right side of the vehicle to expose the vehicle's air suspension compressor valve block. Locate and remove the 3 electrical connectors on the compressor valve block assembly. Then, locate and remove the 2 air lines leading to the valve block. Now, remove the airline fitting from the air hose and discard it. To do this, remove the collet and the remaining fitting will slide off the air hose. Now, locate and disconnect the fitting on the larger rubber hose that runs forward from the compressor. Loosen and remove the hardware holding the brackets for the 4 tubes running directly underneath the compressor. Continue by locating and removing the 3 nuts that hold the compressor assembly to the vehicle. Now the compressor assembly should be free and you can remove it from the vehicle, thereby completing the removal process. Now for the installation of the new compressor, install the assembly onto the vehicle. Make sure to tighten all nuts and bolts to the vehicle manufacturer's specifications during the installation process. You don't want the compressor to fall out, so install the 3 nuts holding the compressor assembly to the vehicle. Install and tighten the hardware holding the brackets for the 4 tubes running directly underneath the compressor. Now connect the fitting on the larger rubber hose that runs forward from the compressor. Continue onto the air lines. Install the 2 air lines leading to the valve block, making sure to connect the blue air line to the blue dot side of the valve block. Connect the 3 electrical connectors on the compressor valve block assembly. Then, reinstall the fasteners and paneling under the right side of the vehicle. Inspect the air springs for any type of cracks or excessive wear. Leaking air springs will cause the compressor to overheat from continuous operation. Thank you for following our guide on replacing the air suspension compressor of a BMW X5 or X6 with an Arnott part. Proper installation ensures the longevity and performance of your vehicle's suspension system. Stay safe and happy repairing.